Hi, my name is Max. I'm the BBQ Guru. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Sterling Silver Tomahawk steak. It's pretty much the best cut of meat you can have. Why? All the steaks are selected by hand by people that really love steaks and that can choose if there's enough marbling to become a Sterling Silver. Secondly, all the Sterling Silver are at least dry aged for 21 days. So what you got there is a lot of flavor because all the marbling that you got is gonna bring all the tenderness and all the flavor you need for a best steak in the world. What is it? It's actually a rib steak, but with a bigger bone. And why you need a bigger bone? More flavor. All the flavor from the bone is gonna melt slowly and come right inside of the meat, and you're gonna be able to enjoy all of that. And I'm gonna tell you how. You wanna put some rubs all over the steak. You wanna do a little crust, but everywhere to make sure all the flavor comes in the steak and it becomes the best steak you're gonna ever cook. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna start it at really low temperature and with indirect heat because you don't wanna cook it. What you wanna do is give it more of that little smoke flavor and also have the perfectly tempered temperature inside. So what temperature you wanna reach? Around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. But what you can do is use your eyes, and when you see it's still kind of reddish, kind of becoming dark, it's ready to go right over the coal. Then you're gonna sear it every side. And when I'm telling you every side, it's one side, two side, 3, 4, 5, and if you can put it on the bone, let's do it. What do you want to do after? It's put it in indirect heat, close the lid around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you let it go just like that until you have the perfect temperature inside, and that temperature is around 125 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you let it go and you let it rest for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then you enjoy. So when your tomahawk is perfectly rested, you want to cut it to be able to share it with whoever you love. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fan it out and we're gonna enjoy. So it's now ready to serve. Make sure you share it with your loved one and also make sure to share the love of the beef. Have a good barbecue!